Imagine starting your day in a bathroom that feels like your own personal sanctuary. We believe your bathroom should be a haven of relaxation and rejuvenation. With our expert team of designers and craftsmen, we turn your outdated, dull bathroom into a refreshing and breathtaking oasis, so you can experience the luxury of a spa-like retreat in your own home. Transform your bathroom into a modern, tranquil experience with Magnolia Home Remodeling Group. Contact us today to